Now, welcome back to class. Our topic for today is direct variation, part 1. We're going to be having other parts beside this one. And we picked a question from previous NACO question. Here's the question. If y varies directly as x and y equal 12, when x is 4, find y when x is 9. When y is 12, x is 4. But the question now is what will be y when x is 9? It's very simple. Let's go on. Solution. You start by representing it mathematically. That is the story. If y, this is y, varies, this is the symbol for variation, varies directly as x. So this is x. That is the first step to take. Now you will introduce the constant term. Constant term can either be k or c. Though I prefer using k. So we say introduce the constants, which is k. Now, the introduction of the constants will do away with the symbol of variation. So, it will then be y equal to kx. Because the constant term have been introduced, there will be no longer the symbol of variation. Now, at this point, you can proceed into substituting the values as been given. Now, we discovered that y is 12. So, in place of y, we have 12. This is k multiplying the value of x. And the value of x here is 4. Look at the value of x as 4. It then means that what we'll be having will be something like this. 12 equal to 4k. But because I'm looking for k, I should be able to divide both sides by the coefficient of k. And the coefficient of k here is 4. So it implies that 12 we divide 4 and 4k we divide 4. Now, you agree with me that 12 divided by 4 is 3. That implies that, and here k, 4 goes, leaving us with k. Therefore, k is 3. K is 3. Now that we've gotten k to be 3, it will be safe for us to say that the relationship now connecting x and y, or y and x, will be y equal, in place of k, you put 3. And then what do we have? We have x. So this is the relationship. In some question, they ask you to get the relationship. To get the relationship simply means substitute the value of k into this equation. That is all. Then, but we are not done because the question is find y when x is 9. Now, y when x equal 9. So it will be y equal to 3. In place of x, you put 9. Therefore, y is equal to 27. Why? Because 3 times 9 is 27. That is the answer. I would want you to try this to be sure you have been following. If y varies directly as x and y equal 15 when x is 5, find y when x is equal to 12. Just similar to this, right? And then you watch out for our next episode. That is part 2 of this. Don't forget to share if you found this teaching interesting, and do it to give us a follow for more updates. See you in our next class.